Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to blur pictures on Canva. What you need to do, first just go to Canva and I will leave the link in the description below. It's a 30 days free trial, and then just click here, create design. After that you select the category. If you want to select Instagram post or business card or Facebook. Okay, now let me just select Facebook post. Now just you can start here from scratch, or just you can select any template and you can upload your pictures as well. Okay, I will select template just to make it easy. And I have here the picture. Just click here. After that, click edit image. And now here you see adjust, click see all. And then blur. Here just you can control if you want to blur little bit or if you want to blur more. This is what you need to do if you want to blur pictures on Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.